Hey guys, welcome to Lola Loops and Stitches. In this video I'm going to show you how to make baubles. Baubles is known as DC 3 together because our 3 double crochet stitches all together. But in this case, when you do the 3 double crochet together, you're going to join them on the top and at the bottom to create that bubble effect. Now let's work in this stitch. I'm going to work one bubble so you can see how it's done. It's very easy. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in a stitch, yarn over again, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. Normally when we are doing double crochet stitches, we finalize by yarning over again and then draw the yarn through the last 2 loops. But in this case, it's not the way it's done. For the bubble, you're going to leave it this way and then you're going to do the motion again. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. Now you have 2 semi-completed double crochet stitches, and I'm going to make another one. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and draw the yarn through the first 2 loops. So now you have a cluster of 3 double crochet stitches, and to finalize and make that bubble effect, you're going to yarn over and draw the yarn through the 4 loops, and to finalize you're going to close it. You see, now you have that bubble done. And let's say I'm going to work another bubble right next to it. So yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, draw the insert your hook again, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the last 2 loops, yarn over again, insert your hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the last 2 loops, leaving 4 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and draw the yarn through the last 4 loops, and close it. And this is how you have bubbles. You see, it give that effect. If this video added any value in your crochet journey, please make a comment below. Let me know what other stitches you want to learn, and also don't forget to subscribe. Click the link, the bell button, so you don't miss anything, and also follow me on Instagram so you don't miss anything. I do a lot of stuff that are behind the scenes. See you next time. Bye bye.
Hey, check out my other videos where I'm showing necessary skills needed to grow faster in the crochet world. You can find Lola Loops and Stitches on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.